Doc, tanong ako.
May sagot ako dyan.
First meal mo?
Yes, this is my afford the meals. Okay, for all budget friendly. This is it. Pritong tilapia, cooked in coconut oil. Ginisang pechay with pork, kamatis, and may bawang sibuyas yan. And also, salted egg with tomato. Very affordable. Kaya huwag kayong mababahala. Kung nahihirapan kayong humanap ng mga meal, follow my YouTube channel, Dr. Brian Aubrey Castillo. Andun po yung mga meals natin, mga affordable. Siyempre, pwede nyo palitan yung mga ingredients nun para sa budget meal. Okay? Adapt pa rin tayo so that you will evolve. Right?